I'm Cheryl and this is Curly Moose Crochets. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. It's a beautiful day outside today. It's sunny and about 75 degrees where I live, so it's really nice. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping here. And if you're one of my new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome. My channel is just about me showing things that I have been working on and some chit chat about nothing. I would like to do more on here, but I don't seem to be able to get it together to do more than what I've been doing. And yeah, I would like to do a tutorial, but you know, I don't know if that'll ever happen. But so anyway, I have been watching a few of my favorite YouTubers, and one of them is Kelly over at Crochet Ma for Life. Hi, Kelly. She gave me a shout out in one of her videos last week, I think it was. And so, yeah, that was really sweet, Kelly. Thank you. I love to listen to Kelly talk. I like her southern accent and her little sayings that she says. It makes me laugh and reminds me of things my dad used to say. Anyway, so I like to listen to her and I like to see what she's making too. And I like when people show their books. I've always said that. And yeah, I was watching also KS Mom Crochets, and she's been showing different books. And so yeah, I got, you know, sucked into that, because if I see someone show the pattern book and I like it, I go and buy it. So I'm getting quite a collection going. Hopefully I live long enough to make something out of each of these books that I've been buying. I have another one coming in the mail that I ordered on eBay, and it hasn't gotten here yet, and I'm excited for it to come. Yeah, it's a disease. It could be worse. So anyway, KS Mom Crochets showed this book, and I think she put it in her community tab that it was on sale. And, you know, I can't remember now how much I paid, but it was cheap, you know, like 10 bucks, I think, something like that. And of course, I haven't made anything from it yet, but it's really cute. If you want to see all the patterns in this book, you can go over to her channel and see them. And so yeah, I got that. And then she showed another one that I had to buy. This one is Cute Crocheted Wild Animals. The little elephant in the pajamas is the cutest thing. This is a really cute book. And if you want to see all the patterns from this book, go over to KS Mom Crochet's channel. I'll link it below. But the little clothes, look at them. I'm dying. They're so cute. Look at all the little outfits you can make. Yeah, and I guess all of the clothes are interchangeable. So if whatever animal you make, the clothes can go on each animal. A panda bear. And let's see what else is in here. I don't know. They're just so cute. Oh, the monkey. So cute. Yeah. The zebra. I love the clothes. I think the little clothes are so adorable. So yeah, add that to my collection. I bought this book a while back. This is Crocheted Animal Slippers, and I finally tried to make one. I only made one slipper because I wanted to make sure that it was going to fit my granddaughter before I made the other one. And so yeah, here it is. Let me show you. And I didn't do an animal. I just did a simple one because I want to make sure that, you know, it's going to be something worth spending my time on. If they're not going to like them or wear them, then there's no point. Here's the one little slipper. So this was supposed to be a turtle motif on the top, but I didn't like how it looked, so I just, and it has a little piece of yarn sticking out that I didn't trim off. This is for my little granddaughter, Aaliyah. Aren't they cute though? They're so cute. But of course, you know, I had trouble. I had trouble following the patterns a little bit, and my stitches come out, my stitch counts get off, and then I come out on the wrong side of things sometimes because I'm a lefty, and I don't know what happens. I just keep going sometimes. So I just kept going, and it turned out, but they're a little wonky. They're a little bit, they're not exactly straight. So I took the slipper with me and put it on her foot and had her walking around in it a little bit. And my little granddaughter, she's 2. And so, you know, her little foot was starting to kind of like slide this way in the slipper. So I don't even know. But anyway, it's supposed to be like this. See the little turtle? But I didn't like how it looked, so I just made it a flower. Now I'm thinking that maybe I should do the boot style. One that goes up higher on the ankle, so maybe that would stay better. This one is the little pig slippers. Aren't they cute though? They're super cute. There's elephants. Koala bears. The panda bear. My idea was when I got this book to make the slippers and then make a little amigurumi to go with the slippers. But of course I haven't done it, so I don't know if I ever will. Anyway, there's unicorn slippers. Aren't they cute? I'm just so slow. I don't accomplish much. It seems like I work and I crochet a lot, but I don't feel like I get very much done. The little penguins. I started trying to make these penguins, and working with the black yarn, I can't see my stitches. It's too hard to see the stitches, especially like because I'm just trying to figure out the pattern. I just decided I'm just going to make them with whatever yarn is easy and I can see the stitches until I figure out how to do it and if I like it and if anybody else is going to like it before I go, you know, racking my brains out trying to make it. But aren't these cute? See how these ones go up higher on the ankle? I think maybe that those might stay on her feet better. Wouldn't it be cute though? The little slippers and the amigurumi to go with it. Oh my God, in a book. And the slippers, and the amigurumi, you know, like corduroy or, you know, some other book. The grumpy monkey. Make the monkey slippers and the monkey amigurumi and the book. That would make a really cute gift. Also, I got my new Crochet World magazine, which is so exciting. This is my life. My excitement in my life is getting my new crochet magazine in the mail. And my amigurumi books. Or whatever pattern books I order and they come in the mail. It's so exciting. I thought this was really cute. This little case for your earbuds. And so I made one. Let me show you. And like always, it came out kind of wonky. It's kind of crooked. I don't know what happens. If it's especially like something like this, here it is. I'm not going to pull it out and start over again. I'm just not. It's not worth it to me. So I got my little earbuds in here. Yeah, see this, this part. It came out kind of goofy right here. But I don't care. And then it has the hole in the bottom for the port for the charger. Mine already had this handle thing on it. I didn't take that off. I just left it there. And so yeah, see how cute? And I had this little wooden button from my button box. There's the hole for the charger port thing. And I had this little stitch marker because I didn't have one of these clips, whatever you call them. Forgot what they're called. So I just stuck that on there. I should sew it on because I just put it through one of the stitches. That's probably not a good idea. So yeah, that's all. I made something though out of the magazine. Ta-da! Get brownie points for that. Anyway, is there anything else in here that I would make? I don't think so. Let me see. Here's all the patterns that are in this magazine. Like that wreath, I'd probably never make. Those little fruit things are cute. Number 44, those are kind of cute. Yeah. My sister-in-law's granddaughter is having a baby, and they are asked me about the Peter Rabbit that I made. I showed it on my channel before, and she wanted one, I think for a decoration, probably for the shower. And so I didn't make a whole new one because I'm lazy. I don't want to. So I just made a new sweater in the pink and put it on the same Peter Rabbit. So here it is with the new sweater. And then as I was making this sweater, I have a lot of this little baby yarn. And so I decided, well, I'll just make a gift, a sweater gift. So I don't think she watches my channel, so she won't see this. But I made this little baby sweater. I like the little designs down the front, and it has that same design down the back. And I made this from a tutorial on YouTube. I'll link it in the description box. Super easy, and it came out really cute. Yeah. I made it in 6 to 9 months because they live in Missouri, and the baby's going to be born in June. So I figured it's going to be too hot. It'll be too hot right now for the baby. So I made it bigger so she could wear it next winter. That's all I've done for, how long has it been? A month? I don't know. The grandkids keep me busy. So we went to the zoo. Okay, there's the zoo. It's called the Living Desert Zoo. It's out in Palm Desert, which is about an hour east of where I live. It's almost to Palm Springs. And so we said, well, we need to go before it gets too hot because it'll just too hot. You can't go in the heat. And we decided to go, and I took my mother with us again. And the last time we went 2 years ago, I took my mom and I got a wheelchair for her, but she refused to sit in the wheelchair. And so here she is pushing a wheelchair around, and she crashed into the back of my ankles numerous times. I was so annoyed and frustrated. Oh, I was like, I'm never going back to this place again. I'm not going because I just didn't have fun. So I decided, okay, I got my mom, you know, a walker thing with the wheels, you know, and the little seat and all that. And it's one of those ones where you're kind of up high. So, you know, she's not all hunched over because she didn't want one of those. So I said, okay, well, you know, she does good with it too. She walked like more than a mile with it at the park. And so I thought, okay, she can go in with her walker. Well, no, it didn't work out at all. We walked and it got hot. It was pretty hot, and we're walking, and we got to a certain point, and that was it. She was done. She couldn't go any further, and there was nowhere to go. You couldn't like go down a little side path and get back to the front real easy. You have to go around the whole place or go back the way you came. And it was terrible. Forgive me, Lord. I'm telling you, I was so annoyed, and I was irritated with my mother, which I shouldn't have been, because I brought her. I was the one that brought her. I thought it would be okay, and it just was not. Poor mama. She just couldn't go. My mom's 92, okay? And she's stubborn, very stubborn. And so, yeah, I ended up having to call for them to come and rescue us. They had to come and pick us up in a little golf cart. They were very, very nice, super nice. The lady that helped us was so nice. And so, yeah, they had to come and pick us up and put us in the little golf cart and take us back to the front. So I didn't see any animals. I think I saw a wallaby and maybe a snake. And so, I mean, we trudging through the desert. I felt like I walked 20 miles through the desert, but I never saw anything. I didn't see any animals. It was ridiculous. Yeah. I could say more, but I need to not. So that's all I have to talk about, to say. It's not much. And so, yeah, I hope you enjoyed some of my video. And if you stuck with me till the end, thank you. And we'll see you again next time. Bye.